If your iMessages are showing up as regular text messages with green bubbles instead of blue iMessages, don't panic. This typically happens when iMessage is turned off, unavailable, or facing connectivity issue. Here is how to resolve it. Solution 1. Check iMessage settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, find the Message app, tap Messages. Ensure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Tap on Send and Receive, and make sure to active your iMessage on your iPhone with a number or Apple ID. Go back, scroll down. Here, you will see an option called Send as Text Message. If you only want to send iMessage, then turn it off, but if you want to use text messages when your iMessage is unavailable, then turn it on. Solution 2. Turn off restrictions. Open Settings once more. Scroll down, tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure to toggle this off. Solution 3. Sign out and back into Apple ID. Go to Settings. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. Now restart your iPhone, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords. With these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of iMessages being sent as text messages on your iPhone. If you have found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. And if you're still facing problems, tell me about that as well. Try to get to you as soon as I can.